Today I'm doing expanding square brackets. So for the first question we have in brackets x plus 1 squared. So this means that it should be bracket x plus 1 times x plus 1. And now it's just simple expanding brackets. So x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. One times x is x, and 1 times 1 is, 1. So this only simplifies down to x squared plus 2x plus 1. And that is it. That's all you have to do. So for question 2 we have 4 minus x all within brackets squared. And that is really just 4 minus x in brackets times 4 minus x in brackets. Sorry, that should be 4 minus x. So I have to expand these brackets. 4 times 4 is 16. Then you have 4 times minus x, which would be minus 4x. Then minus x times 4, which would again be minus 4x. Then minus x times minus x. And 2 minuses times each other make a positive. So it would be plus x squared. So simplify that down to 16 minus 8x. You have to add these two, or subtract, because they're minus, and then plus x squared. That is it for question 2. Question 3, we have minus outside of the brackets, then we have 5 minus x in the brackets squared. And so the minus is not squared. Just to point that out. So we keep the minus outside still. Then we write it out as normal. 5 minus x. 5 minus x. Because it's because of the squared. As usual, we ignore the minus for now. Then we start with 5 times 5, 25, or 5 squared, if you like. 5 times minus x is minus 5x, then minus x times 5 equals minus x, then we have minus x times minus x. So that will be positive x squared. And this is all within brackets except for the minus, the beginning. That's not within brackets. But now we have to multiply the minus times here, 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 and here, the whole bracket. So it starts with minus 25. Then it gives you plus 5x. Then again, plus 5x. Minus times minus equals positive, but minus times positive equals minus. So, minus x squared. So, overall it's minus 25 plus 10x minus 2 squared. That is it for this question. So question 4 is a bit more complicated. There is a minus 4 outside of the brackets, which means times by the brackets, as well as the 1 minus 3x within the brackets, and everything within the brackets is squared still. So the minus 4 just stays out here. Then you have to prepare the brackets to be squared. 1 minus 3x, then times 1 minus 3x. Then we leave minus 4 outside still, and we start expanding the brackets. 1 times 1, well, 1. It's very hard. Then 1 times minus 3x, well, it's minus 3x. Then minus 3x times 1, still minus 3x. Now, minus 3x times minus 3x. So this will be positive, because minus times minus equals positive. Then 3 times 3 is 9, and x times x is squared. So it's plus 9x squared. Now we have the minus 4 to deal with. So the minus 4 actually multiplies out like this against each of these. It's a bit messy. Minus 4 minus 12x and minus 12x plus 36. Sorry, that should be minus 36x squared, because minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, minus 4 times 3d should be positive 12x. Both of these, because negative times negative equals positive. For both of these, this should be negative and this should also be negative because they started positive. Now you just have to simplify this. Minus 4 plus 24x minus 36x squared. And that is the final answer.